guys, happy Planner Wednesday. In this spread I'm going to be doing the Super Bowl. I'm not a big sports fan, but I decided since the Super Bowl was coming up, I used to love to watch the Super Bowl, so I thought I would do something about the New England Patriots and the Philadelphia Eagles. So this is the paper that I've chosen. For the Eagles, I'm going to use this silver and this black and white polka dot. I think it's really pretty. And for the Patriots, I really had trouble finding something that I thought was nice, so I settled with this blue and red. And then I'm going to be using this washi for the Patriots and this washi for the Eagles. And then I made my own stickers. So this spread is going to be from January the 29th through February the 4th. It's hard to believe that it's already that late in the year. And I'm glad everybody loved my monthly spread for February. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is just cut my paper. Alright, now for the Patriots, I've decided I want this blue to be my dominant color. I think I'm going to pick the darker side of it. Okay, let's see how I want to put this down. I think that might turn out really cute. Okay, I'm liking that pretty well. So I'm going to try a new way to put my glue down. That way I maybe not make a mess. Not that I have been, it's just I think this might be easier. Okay. Okay. Now we'll do the Eagles side. And I didn't really pick one side for any reason for one team. It's just how it happened. Like I said, I have no vested interest in who wins. But I thought this would be fun. Alright. I think that's going to look cute. Alright, let's put our washi down. And this is the best I could find for the Patriots, but I think it's going to turn out really cute. Michael's had a big sale on their washi, so I picked up some. Okay, and then I think I'll put some down through here to make it more festive. Oh, I really do like that. Okay, then the Eagles. It's so windy down here today. Woo! I think I'll put some down through here, so theirs will be rather festive as well. Okay, so let's put our stickers down. Okay, this one just says Super Bowl LII. And then I thought I'd put this down here at the bottom that just says NFL. And then I printed out their helmets. I'm going to put this one right in here. And then the Patriot, I put him here. So I think I'll put him right here in this corner. This guy I'm going to put down here at the bottom with their logo. This one, I'll put him right here, where the two teams in the past have played one another. And then I'll put Tom Brady probably about right in here. And then I'll put another one down here where he's looking at his plays. Okay, and then as far as the Eagles go, I printed their mascot, and I'm going to have it looking right against the other one. And their helmet, put it down just a little bit to give some visual interest. And then I'm assuming this is their quarterback. And then here's one of their guys. I like this little stance that he was in. Looks like he is ready to go. And this is where they have played each other before. So I thought that would be pretty right here. And then their logo I'm going to put right in here. Okay? So let me write a few things down. I think I'm going to use a blue pen. I'm not going to put a whole lot in here because my monthly spread's going to contain basically most of it. Then on this side I'm going to do the black. And then we have the Super Bowl. Okay, let's put this back in my planner and take a look at it. I really love how this turned out. Now I also just printed out a sticker and then just put it on the back of this silver paper and then cut it to fit in here because I wanted to put little card tabs in here. And then I put the Eagles right here on this side with their helmet. And then naturally I had to put the Patriots over here on this side. But this is how it turned out. I think it is absolutely adorable. Here's the spread like this. I love everything. I love the stickers. I love everything about it. So if you do participate in watching the Super Bowl, I hope your team wins. And like I said, I really don't have a vested interest in it one way or the other, but I think it's kind of fun. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.